Wonder what would happen if you lie on your tax return. I'm doing mine right now and I'm like, maybe I'll just lie a little bit. You don't want to do that. What happens if you lie on your tax return in Australia? Naughty corner and other bad stuff too? Like smelly dodo for breakfast?
Yeah, so in Australia, the law is quite strict around tax evasion and tax avoidance. So the two different things. One is when you're trying to avoid tax by entering into a scheme, we have something which is called Part 4A, where it's a catch-all provision if you're trying to do something that's not intended in the law. It isn't the strongest bit in the law, but just be mindful that you can get caught out by it. The other thing is tax evasion. Now, this is when you are fraudulent and you completely make things up to stop paying any tax. This, if you're found to be very reckless, can lead to jail time. At a minimum, you will get penalties, interest, and it's not just normal interest, it's penalty interest, which is a very high interest rate, backdating all the way back to when they caught you. So from that day that that financial year happened, they might charge you 10% interest all the way until today for that money. Plus, just say you evaded by $10,000, they might also, as a penalty, charge you another $10,000 on top of that. So make sure that you use the tax code in Australia correctly, get all the tax deductions and do everything correctly with the right records and keep everything in order, because the last thing you want is to be on the other end of a nasty tax audit and then be prosecuted to the point of large penalties or even criminal effects.